Hi, and welcome to 24 Wheelers. Today, we are installing the Dometic Go hydration system faucet and water jugs to the Jeep JK 2-door. Already installed on the Jeep, by the way, are two very important components to this system. One is the faucet mount. Both of these mounts, by the way, are from American Adventure Lab. So one is the faucet mount on the tailgate. The other one is the water jug mount. It's already, you can kind of see it back there. It's already installed on the deck. So we'll run a water line from the faucet all the way back to the jug in the Jeep. So we'll have running water while at camp. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you did so. Now, let's get started. All right, so I have unboxed the faucet system. So you got the faucet, you got a charging cable. This does charge USB-C right here on the back. They give you two different magnetic mounts. The round mount is going to fit on the American Adventure Lab mount there, so it'll just click on magnetically. Sticky thing for the mount. Hose that we're not going to use because the American Adventure Lab faucet kit comes with a pretty long piece of hose. We'll be using that. And it also comes with a little mesh bag to store the faucet in when you're on the move. So this is going to be a super quick, super simple install. Let's get after it. All right, so easier said than done. The first step is just putting on the little sticky thing on the back of, on the bottom side of the mount. For whatever reason, I seem to be pretty much incapable of peeling things. I don't know why that is, but it took me about half an hour to get this piece off. To the normal person, it'll probably take about half a second, but for me, you know, it is what it is. Just like so. Really easy. Once the mounts are installed, it's really just as simple as running the hose from the gate where the faucet will install to the back where you have your water jug mounts. Use the supplied zip-tied sticky mounting pads to secure the hose along the lip at the top of the gate. All right, so you can see I have attached the hose to the tailgate using the supplied stick-on things. It's a very scientific name with some zip ties. They sent 4 with the package, so I got 3 in the gate, and then I stuck 1 back here on the inside of the Jeep just to keep that one kind of secure. And made sure I left enough room, enough slack, I should say, in the hose for this not to get bound up or tangled when the tailgate opens and closes. So here's one of my 2 Dometic jugs. It attaches to that bracket and essentially just sits in just like so. And then you attach your hose onto the cap there of the Dometic jug. All right, you can see here I've got a little bit of extra slack on the hose, and you know, I'm going to leave that as it is for now. I'm afraid that's going to get in my way and get tangled up, but until I use it once or twice, I want to make sure that I don't cut it too short. The other thing that I'm going to have to chase down on my own is really just at least 1 or 2 more of these stick-on zip tie contraptions. Because I want to stick 1 or 2 more on the top here on that little ledge of the inside of the Jeep here in the tub. That's the top, the hard top, obviously. Okay, and there you have it, the install of the Dometic hydration system faucet, and of course the adjoining jug as well. Now this needs to charge, and I believe I said earlier that it charges on USB-C. It's actually USB micro after I went inside to plug it in to get it charging. And then brought it back out to make sure that I had the hose situated in such a way that it fit the faucet well. All in all, 5-minute installation. Super simple installation. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, just ask that you give a like. And remember, whether on the trail or on the road, I'll see you out there.